Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles to I'm Zans. Sunday episodes are all over the place. So should I post at 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 5 p.m., or 8 p.m.? Suggestion. I approve.
What are you doing?
I'm fixing.
Are you fixing?
Yeah.
Are you not busy watching soccer?
No, I'm busy fixing.
Really?
Yeah. The screws are not getting in so easy. I don't know. See this type of.
I asked him how he got the wine from his colored friend.
What you don't understand from me, Daddy, yes, that is gift, 2 liter in, full. It's come back from my sister there. What the sister say come from, say some from this language, for you understand, for you, then I can drop you there.
Never benithetha ninqokola njalo koko xa ndidibane eteksini
Uyam-understand.
uyasandastand ufunda i-afrikaans umntu angudrayiva ufunda i-afrika ungudrayiva njani ungakwazi uthetha iilanga zabanye abantu
Kama uyandiqaphela yena akathi uba ndimkholisa kolaa nto
eweinberg ngoku wakubiza
Yambona nam. What do you know? I come from at home, whatever, man. I tell them that I'm
nivane njani kanti ngoku le nto udibe wathi uza kuphutywana
What the come? Ndacela unyusisi uba uthini lo.
yho sorry
Ndacela unyusisi uba uthini uthi hamba naye uzawusela nowabini. Wasigqitha yakho ndithi makaye masigqithe bakuwe uba nawuthi into evanayo because naye no university.
ngoku wakupha yonke le nto ebehleli nabana kupitulitha yonke igcweleyo
Indoda yakho kaloku nenika.
khange xa wenayo laa ndoda yakhe ithi ubana ufuna uthatha i-girlfriend yakhe akanamali
Awutshilo laa mntana uba ngathi no money, the money for me.
is a money for me not for yena ngoku ufuna wena mzophunyelwa ziimali zakho
Akayazi noyazi lo mntu. Cha yena usebenza ubuhappy bakhe kuba uqhelele one bag.
hayi laa nto hayi banayisimo ziikhastoma zakho
So
Hey, neighbor.
I know, long time, very long time.
Yeah, been away on a business trip.
On a business trip, those are not the fun type.
Yeah, exactly. Strictly work.
Strictly work. Also, that's beside the point. When I saw you the last time, I remember I still have your boo. Your sister brought me food in from a while ago, so I decided to bring it back.
My sister.
Yes, your sister. And no offense, neighbor. I think her cooking surpassed your own. It's like every time she brought me and your husband food, it's like she was cooking from the heart.
Neighbor, none of my sisters live in town. It's just me and my husband.
It's just you and your husband. What about Cynthia? The one that was cooking for him every day and night, and even doing his laundry.
Cynthia? That's his manager.
That's his manager. Wow, it looks like she was managing more than his job.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me right now?
Am I kidding you? So you are telling me while you was on a business trip trying to make money for the family, there was a better transaction going on in your house?
Wait, are you serious?
No, don't worry, you'll find out.
Yo, guys, lo muntu afuna ukusuka phambi kwemoto. Guys, he's on my car. Guys, umuntu vele ezohlanyela kumina. Hayibo kwenze njani? Please move. Please move. Amaphoyisa nahamile lapha wenza lutho. Hi. Sek.
Dad, says
Someone is here.
I am wena. Because la kalingivumeli.
Hayi, all right.
Usaza choma.
Hayi, ngeke ngisabhizi. Ngiyatoiletha.
Ngizokulinda thina sami.
Sobuyasiphosha, sobuyasikhuluma.
Hawu thina sami. Inke mina ngithande wena lapha woza phela sikhuluma.
Sokhuluma mfethu hayi manje.
Hawu
Zoza
ngiyacela.
wena sokuphumela ngaphandle yes.
Ngiyacela thina sami. Mase sino 15 minutes njengamanje.
No 15 minutes.
Eh.
Wokuthini?
Ngiyacela thina sami ngiyacela.
Hayi ngeke bafethu simanje ngicela ukuhamba mina.
Ngizofa. Mangakuthola wena ngizofa.
Hayi no sana. Simangele imani bafethu imani. Simangele. Bizana security.
Isecurity alikho selishona ish ngenzeni.
Imani ngiqale ngiphoshe ngiqede eqala ngizoza kuwena.
Ngiyacela thina sami ngiyacela.
Ngizaphuma manje.
Cela uphume thina sami ngiyacela.
Ima phela mfethu ngeke uvule lana.
Ngiyakuthanda.
Ngicela uvule ima ngusuvule. Simangele.
Ngibone wena unenhliziyo enhle futhi la abanye bayangibhedela futhi bafuna ungikhulumisa.
Ngithi anginankinga sokhuluma phela mase ngiphuma hayi manje.
Ngiyacela Nkosi yami, hawu Nkosi yami, boze ifike abantu la manje sikhuluma ngabe kanjena manje.
Ngithi anginankinga sokhuluma phela hayi manje.
Bazongibona abantu.
Hayi Sizani!
Bazongibona abantu.
Sizani!
Ngicela ukuthi ngimine ngacela lezo.
Sizani!
Thula.
Mfethu ngeke ngikufulele lana mina.
Akho muntu ngeke uze umuntu nje manje. Ngicela wena phena. Yo ngomile.
Umuntu kanjani?
Ngifuna igazi kuphela. Ukuze ngikutshele. Igazi.
Mfethu ngiyacela ngicela ungayenzi leyo.
Ngiyacela.
Ngiyacela
Ngingene ngaphansi.
No, man. No, more.
Marre, tu así uno. Aquí sí van a hablar.